Hello students, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand about the workbook related properties. In workbook, unlike sheets, there are not so much of methods in order to refer, and there is only one method, and I'm going to show you. But before that, I'm going to create few more workbooks also. So I have created few more workbooks. So this is book. So I've created, you can see, book 2, book 1 and function data. So the sequence is, first of all, function data has been created, then book 1 has been created, and then book 2 has been created. Okay, so I'm going here. So the first method is to refer is the workbook. So I'm going to type workbooks, and here the function data, the name is function data. I can make use of this name, book 1 or book 2. Let's say I want to refer to book 1, so I'm going to type book 1 dot activate. The next method is the index number method. Let's say this is function data is the workbook where I have starting this coding. Is this the first workbook in terms of sequence? So this is 1. After that, book 1 was open, so it is 2. After that, book 2 was open, so it was 3. So I want to refer to, let's say, book 2, which is in sequence wise 3. So I'm going to type workbooks. I'm sorry, that is workbook 3 dot activate. Now the next method is the direct method, means with the help of this you can refer to only the workbook where you are typing this code, which is function data. So you can type this workbook dot activate. So these are the 3 different methods. So if I'm going to run this, okay, so F8, now you can see book 1 has been activated. Now workbook 3 means book 2, so I'm going to press F8. So you can see book 2 has been activated, and this workbook, you can see function data has been activated. So these are the 3 different methods to refer to workbooks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.